should be a crime. Like, and it goes even deeper.
This is gonna be so much fun!
Good morning. I feel so much better. I've been crying all morning. I have a court meeting in the middle of the night. I thought there should be something else I should be crying about, and so I always try to substitute, and I found something that I should be crying about, and that's my office. Some of you liked my last video where I decluttered. To be honest, there was a room missing, and that was this one, because I just couldn't handle it. It was just too much. It's time to declutter this room. I'm really excited because it's in the back of my hand the entire time, because the room is not too crazy clutter. I mean, it is bad, medium bad, but it has layer cluttering. It has layers. So all these things, there's just like cluttered stuff within layers, within drawers, within baskets. I want to tackle that because I'm stressed and I need to decompress. I need to clean. I'm stressed cleaning. Hello, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you're enjoying being along this journey of decluttering, and maybe it inspires you. Maybe you have one of those secret rooms that needs some real bad decluttering. Anxiety all-time high. The way I cope with that is cleaning.
You are screwed, sister.
So instead of just starting, I thought let's come up with a game plan and make it more fun. And I've been trying to incorporate a little bit of AI into my life, although I have been a little bit hesitant about it. I think there's a lot of options and benefits of using AI. So what I did is I uploaded a photo of my room. Just the photo alone is so bad. And I said, act like an interior designer and rearrange the room how it would fit the best, utilizing the space while keeping it functional. I know this is not the best prompt, but I wanted to just summarize what I want this office slash craft room slash whatever this is to be. ChatGPT had a lot to say about it. It made a whole list of kind of feeling judged, but also it had some valid points, and it even gave me a mock-up, and I was surprised how well the mock-up was. It looks very minimalistic, but that's also what I've always tried to go for. It's not including my shelving on the wall, which is a huge part of the office, but just the perspective and how it would arrange it in a different way, I kind of liked. I was always hesitant to just always face the window because I think that's what everybody does. And so I thought, what if I put it in the middle of the room? And I thought that would be better, but obviously it looked not good. And just for reference, I thought, let's give it another try. And I asked for a new mock-up. And it's funny how I put my camera in there as well, but I asked for a second version, and actually the second version looks a little bit more homey, but I don't think it's realistic because it would just budge out too much of the room. And so looking at the second version, I like it as well, but I don't think it's realistic in my room because my room is not that big and it looks a lot bigger, the room in the photo. So I'm gonna go with the first version, and it is more minimalistic than I think it's gonna end up, but I think it's a great way for me to visualize how it could look. So yeah, I'm a little bit more excited now to have it so nice and clean. I like the minimalistic style, it's so my thing. Okay, now we actually have to do it. Okay, I don't even know where to start because I have a gazillion boxes with, this is knitting stuff. These are birth cards from my daughter. Then I have these drawers with just oh, you know what? Those sunglasses. I was missing these the sunglasses are not in here, but I got the case. That's what I mean, like I have not my stuff organized and it's just driving me nuts. Fun fact, this dresser I got on the side of the road, which I really love. And it's so funny how ChatGPT actually replicated that so perfectly. It really does look like that. So I'm kind of impressed on that. The green thing, I hate that thing. It's so ugly to me. I just had it my whole life. Thought better than buying new, but this thing is very ugly. I hope I can consolidate everything to the extent that I can just get rid of it. The other one is also ugly, but that has a function. This one just doesn't have a function. I think the best thing to start is just laying out everything. You know what? The room is so small, I can't lay out everything. I'm gonna go box by box. Oh gosh. This electronic drawer should be a crime. Like, oh my goodness. Oh no. It's just, and it goes even deeper. I hate it. It's why do we have so many different cables? So many different. They just came out with regulations in Germany that new suppliers are not allowed to have different cables anymore, but okay, let's go.
It's unclear what I am doing here inside this daydream, this tune of mine. In your eyes, I'm almost televised. It's meant to be this place and time. You're whispering, my heart is flickering. I am awake. You're a keeper. Slow moving, but we keep cruising. Each time you leave, you reappear with a love that I haven't felt yet. Hope it doesn't disappear. It's sinking in, you got me thinking. I'm not afraid. You're a keeper.
I have 5 bags of trash, boxes, a whole cabinet, a whole box of electrical stuff that I'm getting rid of. Even crazier is this huge pile that I went through that I'm actually honestly so glad that I did, because it's been this folder that just haunting me for years, and I just went through every single page and I got rid of phone bills from 2003. Like, so bad. I had so much old stuff that I really don't need anymore, like so many old bills and all this stuff that I had for years that I never ever will be using again. So it feels so good getting rid of all of this. Although I'm pretty embarrassed how much stuff it is. Most of it is not really useful to donate. There's a few things I can donate and the rest is just honestly junk. I'm glad I did it. Feels so much better. I'm surprised that it was more work than I thought. But it also feels good that I finally am done with it and just now feel pretty put together. Hopefully this inspires you to also declutter. It's the best feeling in the world. Getting rid of stuff feels more exciting than buying stuff. And it was also a good reminder for me again to not buy stuff, because everything you buy keeps up being junk in your home. And also, really exciting, I found a total of 27 euros, I think 50 cents. And I found my sunglasses, so it also had some perks of me finding old items that I was missing. I even made some money doing it because, yeah, stuff was just all over the place. And I'm really excited because I really organized all the different drawers. I made sure that there's things that I only use, and now I feel like I'm excited. If I want to do crafts, everything's organized. I can just go and grab it. If I need my sunglasses, I can just go and get them. And it's not like this whole pile of layered clutter to dig to the stuff that I need. So, yeah. The next thing that's on my list is my outdoor area. So, always another project, but that's for another time. I need to get some inspiration first. Have a good night.